Welcome to AssistMyTeam software. Most of us, at some point of time, often come across situations where we need to revise or repurpose the contents of business or legal PDF documents. By converting such documents to Microsoft Word format, you gain the ability to make changes, add text, format elements, and generally manipulate the document easily, more freely than you could with a standard PDF editor. With the AssistMyTeam PDF to Word Converter app, converting your PDFs into editable Microsoft Word document format in bulk is as easy and simple as clicking a button. All you need to do is choose your PDF files or folders from your computer or network drive and add them to the queue list. To proceed with the conversion of the chosen PDF files to Word documents, click Convert to Word button. Depending on the number of files in the queue list, this conversion process may take some time. Let us look at one of the converted Word documents and compare it with the original PDF document, side by side. As we can see here, fonts, layouts, images, tables, and hyperlinks from the source PDF remain intact in the converted Word document. In short, your Word document will look just like the original PDF, with all visual elements preserved. This concludes this video demonstration. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@assistmyteam.com.